Mother and daughter cooking pasta. Hi, sweetie. Are you ready to learn how to cook pasta today?
Yes, Mom. I'm excited. What do we do first?
First, we need to get all the ingredients. We need pasta, water, salt, olive oil, garlic, tomatoes, and cheese.
Okay, I'll get the pasta and cheese from the pantry.
Great, I'll get the water, salt, olive oil, garlic, and tomatoes.
Here's the pasta and cheese, Mom.
Perfect. Now let's start by boiling the water. We need a big pot.
Here's the pot. How much water do we need?
We need to fill the pot with about 3/4 full of water. Can you do that?
Yes, I can. Is this enough water?
That's perfect. Now let's put the pot on the stove and turn on the heat to high.
Okay, the heat is on. What's next?
Now we add a pinch of salt to the water. This helps to flavor the pasta.
Here's the salt. I'll add a pinch.
Good job. While we wait for the water to boil, let's prepare the sauce. We need to chop the garlic and tomatoes.
I'll wash the tomatoes first.
Excellent idea. While you wash the tomatoes, I'll peel the garlic.
The tomatoes are clean. Should I chop them now?
Yes, please. Be careful with the knife. Chop them into small pieces.
I'll be careful. How many garlic cloves do we need?
We need 2 cloves of garlic. I will chop them finely.
The tomatoes are chopped. What do we do with them?
We'll use them in the sauce. Now let's heat some olive oil in a pan.
How much olive oil do we need?
Just 2 tablespoons. Can you pour it into the pan?
Sure, I'll do that.
The oil is in the pan. Should I turn on the heat? Yes, turn the heat to medium. Once the oil is hot, we'll add the garlic.
How do we know if the oil is hot enough?
You can carefully hold your hand above the pan. If you feel the heat, it's ready. Be careful not to touch the oil.
I feel the heat. Should we add the garlic now?
Yes, add the garlic. Stir it with a spoon until it turns golden.
The garlic is turning golden. It smells good.
Great. Now add the chopped tomatoes to the pan. Be careful, it might splatter.
I'll be careful. The tomatoes are in the pan. What's next?
Stir the tomatoes and let them cook for a few minutes until they soften.
I'm stirring them. The water in the pot is boiling now, Mom.
Perfect timing. Let's add the pasta to the boiling water. Do you want to do it?
Yes. How much pasta should I add?
Add about 2 cups of pasta. Be careful not to splash the hot water.
I'll be careful. The pasta is in the water. How long do we cook it?
We cook the pasta for about 8 to 10 minutes. Stir it occasionally so it doesn't stick.
I'll set a timer for 10 minutes. Should I keep stirring the sauce?
Yes, keep stirring the sauce. Let's add a pinch of salt and a little pepper to the sauce for flavor.
Here's the salt and pepper. I'll add a pinch of each.
Good job. The sauce is looking great. Now we just let it simmer while the pasta cooks.
What does simmer mean, Mom?
Simmer means cooking something on low heat, so it's just barely boiling. It helps the flavors mix well.
Oh, I see. How do we know when the pasta is done?
We can take a piece to see if it's soft, but still a little firm. It's called al dente.
I'll taste a piece. It feels just right.
Perfect. Let's turn off the heat and drain the pasta. Be careful, the pot and water are very hot.
I'll use the pot holders. I'm pouring the pasta into the strainer now.
Great job. Now let's mix the pasta with the sauce. Can you pour the pasta into the pan with the sauce?
Yes, I can do that. The pasta is in the pan. Should I stir it?
Yes, stir it well so the pasta is coated with the sauce. It looks delicious. What about the cheese? Let's grate some cheese and sprinkle it on top. Do you want to help? Yes, I love grating cheese. How much should we use? Use about half a cup of grated cheese. You can add more if you like. I'm grating the cheese now. This is fun. Cooking can be very fun, especially when we do it together. The cheese looks perfect. Sprinkle it over the pasta. The cheese is on the pasta. Are we done now? Yes, we're done. Let's turn off the heat and serve the pasta in bowls. Here are the bowls. I'll scoop the pasta into them. Great job. Be careful, the pasta is hot. I'll be careful. The bowls are ready. Should we add anything else? If you like, we can add some fresh basil leaves on top for extra flavor. I'd like that. Here are some basil leaves. I'll tear them and sprinkle on top. Excellent. The pasta looks beautiful and smells wonderful. Are you ready to taste it? Yes, I can't wait. Let's eat. Let's sit down and enjoy our meal. You did a fantastic job today. Thank you, Mom. I had so much fun cooking with you. The pasta tastes amazing. I'm glad you like it. Cooking together is always special. We can try other recipes next time. Yes, I'd love that. Can we make dessert next time? Of course, we can make something sweet. Maybe cookies or a cake. What do you think? Cookies sound great. I can't wait to learn how to make them. It's a deal then. For now, let's finish our pasta and enjoy this moment. Thank you for teaching me, Mom. Cooking with you is the best. You're welcome, sweetie. I love cooking with you too. Let's make more delicious memories together.